So let's do it. Search your memory from a past, future, when you sometime met a dangerous bear that created in you the despair. Some feeling that was not very helpful. Just pick anything. Feeling lost, feeling alone, helpless, anxious. You know, one of these feelings that manage to take all your attention. Now remember, this feeling can surround you and overwhelm you, but not today. Today, we do not want that to happen. Take a step outside of it and look at this fearsome loneliness, helplessness. Look at it from outside. Know that it is there. Now we are going to move our focus away from the feeling that we know so well. We know now there is something else. We can, if we want, if we focus, we can come to ourselves. We can reconnect to self. In order to do so, make yourself comfortable. Let the body relax. Position yourself good in the chair. Become aware where is your attention, your eyes on the screen, looking downwards. Now take your eyesight, lift your eyes very slowly up from the screen. Know that they eventually will pass the line of the horizon. Lift them slightly above the horizon. When your eyes rise above the horizon, all of the troubling world is left behind. You leave all your problems that are connected to this physical world behind. Continue to slowly move your eyes upward without moving the head. Turn your attention up through the crown chakra at the top of your head. Looking with your spiritual eye through your crown chakra is like looking into the heavens. Somewhere above you, you will be met by Source, by your higher self. Know that it is always there. You can only miss it under one condition: if you do not pay attention. If your attention is somewhere else. Now you know, if you look for it, it is there. Simply because you invited it by paying attention. Whatever it looks like, this is it, because you invited it. It is common to experience it as white light hovering above the crown chakra. Maybe yours is bluish, maybe slightly to the right, maybe it looks like Jesus. Regardless, it is there. Observe it, adore it, give room for it in your life, in your body. Feel the calmness as it enters your whole life experience. Feel nourished and blessed as it enters your body and frees all tensions. Now, let this window to the heaven slowly close. Experience how your consciousness returns into the restraint of the body. Recognize that surrounding you is some kind of bad feeling, the fear, loneliness that you know from beforehand. How does it feel? And another question, which one is the better one? And a third question, are you less able to manage your worldly physical life if you stay connected? I mean, you can take your eyes down again and stay connected. Lifting your eyes is not necessary for the connectedness. It's an helpful way to do it. It's a method. Actually, it's only about attention. You are connected to whatever your attention is at. Pay attention to the fear, and you are fear. Pay attention to your higher self, and you are connected.